Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what's happening in your relationship, what's going on in the relationship. So I'll be pulling out your energies, your person's energies, what are they planning to do, what are they thinking about doing, and what are you planning to do, and the most likely outcome. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what's up with Sagittarians, what's going on for Sagittarians. So what are your energies, Sagittarians? So on your side we have the Hierophant. Okay, your overall energy is the Hierophant. Your current feelings for the person you're dealing with, Five of Pentacles. Okay, let's see what is the most likely course of action, best course of action according to you in this situation is the King of Wands. Okay, let's see what are your person's overall energies. Is the Six of Swords. So their current feelings for you. Is the Queen of Pentacles. The best course of action according to them is the Eight of Cups, so definitely moving away. The most likely outcome for this connection is the Five of Swords. Oh, two have come, Five of Swords and the Ten of Wands. Let's take both of them. And one more thing I would like to add here, Sagittarians, is that I'll be clarifying this reading and having the clarifiers for this reading and do an extended on Patreon. So if this reading resonates with you, do check out on Patreon also. The link for that is given in the description box below. So click the link, it will lead you to Patreon and you can listen to the reading there if it resonates with you. So let's get started. As far as you are concerned, Sagittarians, with the Hierophant, you are definitely, this is your current energy. You want stability, you want something long term, you want something rock solid. You are looking for a long term solid relationship, committed things. It's like you are not wanting anything short term. Okay, you don't want flirtations, you don't want anything those flirty things, those frivolous things. It's not like that. You really want something solid, you want something long term, and that is what you are looking for. That is what your agenda is. Not agenda, but definitely, but that's what you want to. Agenda sometimes looks like a little strategic type of a thing. No, it's your wish. As far as your feelings are concerned, your current feelings for them, so your current feelings are, with the Five of Pentacles, you feel ignored. You feel that this person has rejected you. You feel left out in the cold. You are really hurt about it. You feel a sense of loss in this relationship. So though everything was fine, perhaps at some point in time, right now you feel that this person is not paying attention to you. Maybe they are not talking to you. They are not messaging you. They are not listening to you. They are not attending your calls. They are not in that same phase as they were previously perhaps, and that is why you really don't know what to do. You really feel as if they've just turned a cold shoulder to you. The best course of action according to you is the King of Wands. So I really don't think that you are planning to make any move, though we'll clarify this and see what it is. But right for now, you're just observing them. You are not very happy. You are very keen. Deep inside within your heart, you're feeling that anxiety and that tension, even though you're not showing it. And you are getting the fact that your grip is getting looser and looser on this connection. So it is getting tough on your part to stay cool and calm. You are, though you are trying to maintain your composure, you are trying to maintain your cool, you are trying to sort of sustain and not show whatever is going on, but deep within there is a lot of anxiety. And like that, the vibe which I'm getting is that everything looks fine outside. You are not showing your anxiety and the fact that you are maybe even teary-eyed for what you are going through. Okay, but you are not showing it. So the best course of action here is that you are not planning to show whatever you are feeling. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Six of Swords. So this person is definitely walking away. This person is walking towards peace. So definitely there is something out here which has been troubling this person in this relationship. There was something which was not, they were not liking perhaps, or which was not bothering them. So definitely they are wanting to move away. So this is the general energy that it is. Since it is a general energy, so overall it's not only about this relationship. They just want peace in their life. They want to move away from anything which causes them tension. So perhaps maybe there was some emotional turbulence, or there was something here which was not good for them, or they were not liking it, and that is why they, since the main goal here is they want peace, so that is why maybe they want to leave. This is the current energy, their current feelings for you with the Queen of Pentacles. So this person, it's not that they are ignoring you as such. Okay, maybe you are feeling ignored, but they are not doing that. The thing is, they really don't know. They have that feeling still deep within their heart. They know it is something stable. They know that whatever you are offering them may be stable, with the Hierophant being there. Maybe they know everything you are offering them is good, it's stable, it's fine, but there is something to it which is bothering them, and that is why they are just thinking and taking a retreat and just giving it a pause and just deciding and thinking as to what should be done, what should be done, what should I do in such a scenario. So maybe this person is not talking to you, everything is fine, but it's not that you are out of their mind. This person is thinking still about you, but they really don't know how to take it forward, because perhaps whatever is causing this walking away is too huge for them, and it's too significant or major for them. So maybe that is something which is important for them, and they are not ready to compromise on that, and that is why even though feelings are there, even though everything is there, but still this person is wanting to walk away in spite of everything being there, in spite of you being able to give them a solid commitment, but still this person wants to walk away. Maybe they have to compromise on something which they don't want to. That's what I'm getting. So whatever is troubling them is something which is, it's sort of troubling their base. That's what I'm getting. So whatever the fight is about, whatever the problem is about, that they're not talking to you, that is huge for them. It is maybe sort of compromising on their basic aspects or the basic values on which they set, on which they feel grounded. So it's like that it is itching that, and they don't want to lose that. As far as their most likely actions are concerned right now, what they plan to do is this. The best course of action according to them is the Eight of Cups. So that is what they are feeling. They really don't want to move out. They really want to move out because they want peace. They do not want any tension. The only goal in this person's life is they want peace. They really don't want anything which is going to cause some sort of emotional turbulence or emotional drama or anything of that sort. This person is just looking for peace. So that is what perhaps they are just planning to walk out. But it is not that they want to, but they are doing it because perhaps they don't have any other way. That is the best decision they feel at this point in time. The most likely outcome is the Five of Swords and the Ten of Wands. So it's a beautiful combination, though it came out by chance, but really has a lot to say. With the Five of Swords, definitely somebody here, it is something, their conflicts, their fights, their arguments, somebody trying to have their own way, somebody is not able to sort of listen to the other person. So it is not sitting together and talking about things and sorting them out. It is something is here which is causing a lot of arguments and fights, and because of that, another person is just dominating. They want to have their own way. Maybe they are manipulating things. It's a self-sabotaging type of an energy, and because of all this, the other person is feeling burden. They really don't want to take any burden. So to that extent, we see 3 cards here moving out. It's something important here, Sagittarians. You really need to correct it if you really want this person to stay, because there is something which is really weighing this person down. This person does not want to carry any baggage now. They want to unburden themselves. They really do not want to deal with anything which will cause any sort of emotional turbulence in their life, and that is why this person is choosing to walk. Maybe they are not being heard, they are unheard. Their point of view is just not understood, and that is why somebody here is wanting to have their own way, and that is why this person is leaving here. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you over here, and I'll be looking at taking the extended on Patreon. So if this reading resonates with you, do join me there, and the link is given in the description box below. And if you choose to be here till YouTube, then hope it helps, and thank you for being the part of the journey. Bye.